I'm glad, dude. I missed it.
I know, dude. I haven't fucking opened these things. I saw that battle box. I was like, damn it! I was gonna do the video myself, but I was like,
no, you should have, bro.
Post it.
What? Oh, yeah.
And they're more fun opening them with you anyway.
Oh yeah, that's true. It is more fun with two people. Yeah. Let's do it.
Welcome back to CNR Reviews, y'all. I'm Colt.
E-Rock.
Today, we're just gonna open another Alpha Outpost. Now this one came in a bag. Ain't no box.
Nope. It's actually kind of heavy. Like,
it is.
It's got some
like a cloth or something in there.
Yeah, it's kind of squishy.
Like a loincloth or something.
Let's do it. Let's see what we got.
It's a what do they call those things? A toga. Yeah.
That is sharp, bro.
It's a toga. Okay.
Yeah.
So we gonna look like Greeks. That they used to use in mythological times.
Right? Oh, dude, I'm so glad I didn't cut so deep in there, bro. Woo! Alright, here we go.
Yeah. That did too much.
I know, right?
Custom everything. Scope rings.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Jesus.
Rona.
Come on, Alpha.
Says made in China. Not good. Not good, Alpha Outpost, okay? Especially right now.
Yeah.
We're cutting ties with China.
Made in USA, okay?
Thank you.
Switch.
Yeah,
Switch.
start making the switch now. Look, I'm trying to rip the box off. Let's see what we got here, bro.
It smells a little funny.
No! I'm sick. It's to death.
What in the hell?
Okay. Take care of that part. I'm gonna see.
Like a. Oh, okay. I
definitely got hardware.
It's an industrial door hinge.
Is it really?
No, I don't know.
It is. The fuck?
How do you even open it?
It's probably one of those spring-loaded ones. It's super strong. I think it is, bro. Why would they have a door hinge? It is.
What in the?
Oh no. Door blocker.
Oh.
Okay, that's what it is. So, it's like one of these built-in locks. Look. So it shows where to put it. Okay. So you put it part way up your door here between the handle and the top, about halfway up. You install it there, and it's a security thing.
Oh, like on your front door.
So they can't kick it in.
Oh shit! Oh, that's kind of
okay. It's a super. I don't know the percentage, but if you guys aren't aware, it's a huge percentage. It's like 80 or 90%. Okay, of break-ins happen from the intruder kicking in the front door.
Holy shit! I didn't know that.
Yeah, it's a lot. It's a huge number. I'm probably off. Okay,
that's crazy.
But it's a very large number.
This is heavy duty too. This is definitely. If you have a nice door, this will definitely stop.
Yeah.
This is gonna take a couple kicks, okay? If they even.
Hey, look! This will stop the SWAT team busting down your door with the jammer there. Whatever they use, the door.
They're gonna be sitting at that door for 18 years. Okay? You'll be like, oh, you can't get in.
Pow!
They're gonna end up ripping your entire wall off.
But it has. I know, right? Well, if you have, you can buy the reinforced steel insert that goes, where the hinge goes, or not where the hinge goes. On the other side where the latch goes, so that'll help as well. Okay, that's actually really useful, dude. We're gonna install that.
We are gonna install that.
Hell yeah. Okay.
Just an extra precaution for if we do hear somebody kicking in the door.
Yeah.
It'll give us a little more time to go run and grab a gun.
Right. We're kind of looking forward to somebody kicking our door because we got arsenal here.
All right, we got this leather case here. Let's see what's in it.
Ooh. It's a little shaving kit.
It is. Ooh, it's a lockpick kit.
Oh, shit! Dude, I swear we were talking about this.
Bro, listen.
We were talking about this.
This is mine, okay? Christian ain't having this.
What about me?
You ain't having it. I'll give you my shitty one.
I used to have one when I was a teenager.
Because I like this right here. My lockpick kit does not have this.
That is awesome, bro.
And
it's got two sections.
Listen, I've seen people pick car door locks with these, okay?
Oh shit, look at you.
So
hey, we got practice cars we can work on.
Damn, that's nice.
Dude, that is so nice.
They have a lot of these.
Dude, a ton. Look at that.
They got 2 zipples. Too
Here,
simple
hold your little
pockets.
favorite tool there. Okay.
Look like a dentist tool.
Oh God.
Look,
if he pulled that out, I'd be more scared than I am.
They're gonna put it in between your toothuses like this. They're gonna spread them apart. And it's gonna
create a gap.
Yeah, they're gonna create gaps.
This is really nice. Okay.
It is nice.
Dude, that's awesome. Wow, that's cool. Does it say made on China? I hope not. God damn it.
I think all this stuff is. Anyway, these are nice because it's longer. It has like a handle on it.
Right, it's heavy duty.
To
that's something you can stick in there.
These right there, those things are very, very hard to use.
Yes, they are. You gotta have some practice,
especially when you're trying to twist them into a lock and it just flattens out and the lock doesn't twist anymore.
All right, we're not gonna look at this right now because it shows mostly shows everything from here. Yeah, we do that.
Like
we want to be surprised. Ooh, what is this?
Webcam cover.
Webcam cover.
Oh, for your laptops.
Adhesive back
ensures the high quality. Clean your device camera surface. Remove the back 3M tape.
Yep.
Stick the webcam cover over the camera. Press firmly and hold for seconds. That way, the FBI can't
be spying on you. Okay.
They can't see you scrolling
through creepers.
Scrolling through.
All right, open that.
What this is? Like what do they call these? Manila. It's like a Jesus, that adhesive. It's like a Manila vanilla.
Just rip it. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh, there we go. Part of the lockpick kit. There's your practice lock.
Dude, hell yeah. That's awesome,
your lockpick kit.
Right. Oh, we're going to practice
which are really nice because you can see how the pins work.
Right.
And some locks have dual pins on each side, and they're very hard to lockpick.
Okay.
Like a car door.
Yeah.
Car doors have dual pins.
That is cool, man.
But
we definitely
those ones are really nice.
Want to check that out in practice.
Because oh my god,
it looks like the same box, so maybe they give us two.
They give us one for the top, one for the bottom. Okay.
Well, the instructions showed just to put another. It is okay.
They gave us two of them.
One for your front door, one for your back door.
Exactly.
Perfect. All right. Dude, this actually came with.
It'd be kind of hard to kick in a back door, though.
Well,
ours anyway, because ours opens inward.
Right, most of them.
Outward.
Oh, look at this.
What that is?
Oh, key ring.
What do you call those things? Cantilever?
Key ring.
Cantilever?
A key ring.
No, I'm talking about this.
Key ring.
No. This a key ring, my boy. Look, this little metal ring, that's a key ring. This right here, cantilever.
Oh, shit.
Or whatever you call it. Cantilever, whatever it is.
Oh.
Why cantilever?
This?
What the hell? Look, they're like brother sister. Look, this one pink.
Oh wait. Oh shit! It is different colors. Damn. They got a lot in this box, bro.
They really do.
Okay.
Not a box, bro.
Bag. Whatever.
Look,
semantics.
Together.
Ooh, what kind of shit am I feeling in here? Ooh, a credit card cover, dude. Bro. It's for your ATM card or whatever, you know, that has a chip. Okay.
What else we got? Flag. Okay.
American flag.
This is a patch.
American flag made in China. No, I don't know.
It probably is. Anyway, this is a patch, and it is of a picture of a gun safe, and it says, "This is my safe space."
Nice.
You.
That's everything, and a shirt.
Doubt it.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
What that is? It says
Outpost
Homeland Secured.
What's the back?
The back is the exact same picture as that patch. This is my safe space.
So we got
it is shirt. Yeah.
We got, and of course this shows you. This is the card that came with it. That shows all the details of everything that's in there, and it even has a little explanation of
how to pick locks. Okay?
Yeah,
or lock picking basics.
Right. So this is all. This is what one's this called? Security.
OpSec.
That's what it is.
I don't even know what that is.
Operation Security.
Oh, okay.
So you got your protect yourself from visual intruders.
Yep.
Okay, creepers.
Which they could listen. If you got a hacker that's trying to break into your house, they can hack into your webcams.
Yeah, they can. Okay.
All right. Especially if you got them all over the house, like
the security things. Right. So you need to be aware of those. And then we got the door locks, front and back door covered.
Reinforcement locks.
You can put all your
chains. Women, you could use those as earrings. Okay.
I know, right?
Stupid as hell.
How about this?
There you go. Well, you gotta hang them on your titties.
No,
tassels. Titty tassels. You got
How
your
about that?
cover flash, and then your RFID sleeve. Okay.
That's RFID. Okay. And then we got a pouch, and a lockpick, and
lockpick set. A nice one.
Yeah, it is. It really is.
Practice lock, and then the shirt,
yeah.
Which I think was extra. Don't say nothing on here about
okay.
it. It might have been like a gift or something that they give with it.
Really cool. Love it. We're definitely going to use it.
Yes, we will. Rip shirt. Damn thing strong.
Exactly. Well, yeah, we'll make a video of setting all these up, putting these on, how to install them, and all that. Okay. And then it comes, it came with the hardware as well. Yeah. For each of them. So
massive screws.
Very good.
Okay.
Yep.
They're like railroad bolts or something.
We'll do a video on like a how-to or testing these picks or whatever on this.
Yeah.
And we'll try to pick our front door. Okay. We'll show that too. And then we'll show how to block you out. I'll just put this right over the camera and it'll go black.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, I appreciate you guys watching. And as always, we'll see you next time.